A little on the nose. Too obvious or direct. His joke about my weight was a little on the nose. His guess on the final score was a little on the nose. Spill the beans. To reveal a secret. She accidentally spilled the beans about the surprise party. Don't spill the beans about our plan to anyone. Hit the sack. To go to bed or sleep. I'm exhausted. I need to hit the sack early tonight. After a long day of work, he hit the sack as soon as he got home. Break a leg. Good luck, especially before a performance. You have a big presentation tomorrow. Break a leg. Before the play started, the director told the actors, "Break a leg, everybody." Cat got your tongue? Used when someone is very quiet. Why aren't you answering? Cat got your tongue? She was so nervous that it seemed like the cat got her tongue. Out of line. To behave in a way that is disrespectful or unacceptable. Yelling at your boss like that was completely out of line. Talking back to the teacher was out of line, and now he's in trouble. Fit as a fiddle. Very healthy and energetic. Even at 70, my grandfather is fit as a fiddle. After months of exercise, she's now fit as a fiddle. Apples and oranges. Two things that are very different and cannot be compared. You can't compare classical music to rock. It's like apples and oranges. Cooking and baking are like apples and oranges. They require different skills. Hit the books. To study hard. I have a test tomorrow, so I need to hit the books. She hit the books all night to prepare for her final exam. When pigs fly. Something that will never happen. He said he would clean his room, but that will happen when pigs fly. She will apologize first? Yeah, when pigs fly. My lips are sealed. Promise to keep a secret. I won't tell anyone. My lips are sealed. You can trust me with your plans. My lips are sealed. A dime a dozen. Something very common and not special. Fast food restaurants are a dime a dozen, but finding a healthy meal on the go is tough. Online influencers are a dime a dozen these days, but only a few stand out. Pull some strings. Use influence to get something done. He pulled some strings to get his friend a job. She had to pull some strings to get the front row concert tickets. Loose lips sink ships. Talking too much can cause problems. Be careful what you say. Loose lips sink ships. He accidentally revealed the surprise party. Loose lips sink ships. Come what may. No matter what happens. Come what may, I'll always support you. They promise to stay together, come what may. Make head or tail. Understand something. This math problem is so hard, I can't make head or tail of it. He spoke so fast, I couldn't make head or tail of his words. Day in, day out. Repeatedly or continuously. She goes to work day in, day out without complaining. He trains hard day in, day out to improve his skills. See eye to eye. Agree with someone. They never see eye to eye on politics. My brother and I finally see eye to eye on this matter. Steal someone's thunder. Take credit or attention away from someone else. He stole my thunder by announcing the news first. He worked hard on the project, but his boss stole his thunder. On thin ice. Someone is in a risky situation because of their actions or words. You've been late 3 times this week. You're on thin ice with the manager. After forgetting her birthday, he's really on thin ice with his girlfriend. Out of the blue. Unexpectedly. Out of the blue, he called me after 5 years. Her decision to move abroad came out of the blue.